how to make a Roblox game in 24 hours. To have free Robux. This the adventure game preview. I made this game in 24 hours only. There are many free avatar made by the community. Now I'm gonna show how to do this step by step. For the fifth step, you need to go in Roblox Studio for create your main map for your game to start your adventure. You can create your own map or import a map in the toolbox. Now for the second step, you need to put your avatar and animation in Roblox Studio. You need to copy and paste your avatar in character folder and then profile. You can see I upload many Vader of the community. Now then my game is finished, it's gonna time to pass a last step of the tutorial. The upload game in Roblox. This map is really great for a Roblox adventure and minigame in Roblox. It's now time to upload your game and make Robux.